Buddy, it's okay. They're just hiccups. You're gonna be okay. You really are. No, the hiccups aren't gonna hurt you. It's just hiccups. You can look at me. I swear you can. It's okay. I just made a hiccup noise. I love you. It was just a hiccup. I swear you're gonna be okay. Look at, they've stopped. I scared you, it scared me, and now here we are. Me not hiccuping, and you afraid. It's okay, buddy. I love you. We're gonna get through this together. You wanna come up and visit with me? Yeah, do you need a hug? Let's give you a hug. Come here, I'll move over for you. There you go. There we go. Come up on the bed. Yeah, you're okay. Good boy. You survived my hiccups.